Hey everyone, it's Tracey here from Home Office, and today I'm sharing with you the page layout that I made for the sketch in the virtual crop. I've made little arches on the top of my photos, and I think that it looks great. It's a little bit different to something that I would normally do, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So you will need the smallest circle and your red and green blades. Now, the width is the standard width of my photo, which is 4 inches, but then I've trimmed it down to 3 3/4 of an inch, and then the matted piece will be 1/4 of an inch wider, and then whatever you determine the height of your photo. So if your photo is 5 inches, you will make your mat 5 1/4 inch. Now, you'll position your circle and you will have it sitting fairly close to the top, but just far enough back that when you put your blade in and you cut, it will just skim very close to the top there. So let's give that a go. And I've just gone around like so. That's come away, and there I have my first arch. And then my matted piece, I want that nice, that same width all the way around, so I will use the larger blade. So I will use the green, and I will do the same process, but this time I need to come back a little bit because that blade is positioned a little bit further back. So not too much. You really can do this with your eye, but I can tell that is going to clear the paper. And I will just put that in like so. And I will cut that and move that away. And from here, if that was my photo, and there's my mat, you can see that it's nicely spaced all the way around. So you can follow the sketch however you like. I've got a larger photo in the middle and I've just overlapped those ones there. We've used the Border Maker cartridge here. I've cut another couple of little circles there as well to bring in the orange. I've used the Cheers paper pack and then just one little sticker from the graduation paper pack as well. So look forward to seeing all your layouts making this sketch. Enjoy!